Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an incredible product that has been making waves in the world of water filtration. If you're looking for the best under-sink water filter for lead, you're in the right place. We're talking about the Brita Faucet Mount Water Filtration System. This sleek and efficient filtration system is designed to provide you with clean and great-tasting water right from your tap. Let's dive right into why this is a game-changer. First off, it's incredibly easy to install. No need for tools, just follow the clear instructions, and you'll have it up and running in no time. What sets this system apart is its ability to reduce up to 99% of lead, among other contaminants, ensuring that the water you drink and cook with is clean, fresh, and safe. Worried about when to replace the filter? Brita has you covered with a built-in filter indicator that takes the guesswork out of maintenance. No more wondering when it's time for a replacement. This system is compatible with most standard faucets and can easily switch between filtered and unfiltered water, giving you the flexibility you need in your kitchen. Now, let's talk about cost-effectiveness. Compared to buying bottled water or other filtration systems, the Brita Faucet Mount is incredibly budget-friendly. Plus, it's eco-friendly as it helps reduce plastic waste. And don't worry about it taking up precious counter space. It boasts a sleek design that blends seamlessly with your kitchen decor. But the most crucial factor, of course, is the taste of the water. With this Brita system, the water tastes significantly better. It's refreshing, clean, and free from any unpleasant odors or aftertastes. In conclusion, the Brita Faucet Mount Water Filtration System is a must-have for anyone looking to improve the quality of their tap water while also saving money and reducing their environmental footprint. That's a wrap for today's product critique. If you want the best under-sink water filter for lead, you can't go wrong with Brita. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, stay hydrated and make informed choices.